Ready to go. Having my buddy Steve ride my bike, see what he thinks about it. Oh yeah.
Well,
wide enough for comfort.
All right.
Want to see if he likes the acceleration and whatnot.
We'll go up there and turn around.
Okay. Hold on, wait. Okay, I was just making sure everything was on.
What was on?
I was making sure that I was making sure the choke and the fuel line and everything was on.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, it's kind of acting kind of funny at first.
You're kind of acting kind of funny.
I know.
I'm usually yelling at you.
I know. So what do you think?
All right. We need bigger jets.
Bigger jets?
Bigger jets. Besides not getting the fuel.
Yeah.
With the aftermarket air filter and the exhaust I put on there.
Okay.
I can tell right away that was the problem.
Yep.
So, you want to go up there and put a bigger jet in?
We don't even know what size though. We'll have to look.
They're all labeled.
Okay.
Yeah, and we can just move up to the next size or whatever.
Yeah.
So, you want to go give it a shot and do another run?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
I'll meet you up the hill.
Okay.